Good morning and welcome to We Repair. So today I'm running through a quick how-to for a factory reset on a Samsung Galaxy Tab A8. Someone in my comments has asked on a previous video how to do this, so I thought I'd just walk you through the process. There is a bit of a disclaimer here that if your account has a Google account linked to it, also known as an FRP lock, you will not be able to bypass that. You will need to know the account details. The purpose of this is just how to do a factory reset to remove a PIN code or a password on the lock screen. It's quite a straightforward process. It takes a few minutes. I'll cover both how to do it without the PIN and without being able to get into the tablet, and I'll also cover how to do it with the PIN if you can get into the device and you just need to reset it. So we'll wait for this tablet to start up and then I'll walk you through the process. So the first thing we've got to do is we've got to turn this off. Now, if your iPad is locked with a PIN, you may not be able to do this process where you have to hold the power button down and turn it off. If you can't, you're going to have to do a hard reboot and then go straight into the process I'm about to cover off with you. To hard reboot, you need to hold the power button and the volume down together and the tablet will reboot, and then follow the instructions I'm about to go through. So we're going to just turn this off. So once it shuts off, we're going to hold the power button and the volume up key together. You're going to need to hold them for about 2 or 3 seconds for the tablet to turn on. You're going to let go of the power button and you're going to keep holding the volume up. Now, if you've done a hard reboot, you're going to go straight to holding the volume up key without the power, and then it should go through the process. So let's do this now. So I'm holding the volume up, pressing the power, waiting for the Samsung logo to appear, and then I'm going to release the power button. So I'm just holding the volume up button now, and then a few seconds, more than a few seconds, maybe about 30 or 40 seconds, it should go to a recovery screen, and you'll see that it will jump across. So I'm doing this in real time, I'm not changing anything, so you can see exactly what the process is, and there you go. So you can now see it's gone into a recovery screen. We've got quite a number of options here, and then we have a bit of blurb down the bottom. So I'm going to zoom you in so you can see the options a bit better. So let's drop right in here. So you'll see that the third or fourth system down will be wipe data factory reset. It doesn't come out very cleanly on camera, but you need to press the volume down button until it is highlighted. You will receive some blurb down here to say that this will effectively erase all of your data. A disclaimer here, you will lose everything on the device, so make sure it is backed up. It will remove any personal information, apps, saves, all of that good stuff. You're going to press the power button to select the option, and then you're going to use the down key again. It will also reiterate that it will wipe the device, and then you're going to press the power button again, and that will do a factory data reset. And you will see, if I move this tablet up a bit, down the bottom here, it's going through that factory reset process. And then it will say wipe complete, and it will take you back to this menu at the top. We're going to just press the power button once at that point, and that will reboot the tablet. So it is as quick as that. It's really not a complicated process at all. I've run through this on a number of other videos that I've done on how to do this process. Next, I'm going to take you through how to do the reset with the PIN code, and then that's it, end to end. You'll know how to do both resets with and without the PIN. And as I say, if you have got an FRP account on there or a Google account on there and it's FRP locked, it will not remove that. So you will need to know your Google account credentials. So this is the second part on how to reset your device. This is assuming you know your PIN and can get into the tablet itself. So quite simply, you would swipe up, go into your menus, click on settings, and then you're going to scroll down until you see general management. And then once you're in general management, you're going to hit reset, and then you're going to go factory data reset. This will wipe everything from the tablet. So please be aware you will lose anything if it is not backed up to the Google Cloud services. If it is linked, it's still got a Google account linked, that also may not be removed. So just be aware that you will still potentially have to remove your Google account from the device. It will prompt you for your current PIN if you have one, if you've logged in. And then again, it will say that it's going to wipe it. It will tell you that it's going to remove all your personal data. We're going to go delete all. At that point, the device will shut down and restart, and it will wipe it and go back to factory settings. So in this video, I've walked you through how to do a reset, assuming you don't know the PIN. I've shown you it assuming you do know the PIN, and I've taken you through the whole process. It's very straightforward. Only takes a few minutes. As I said at the start of the video, if there is a Google account linked, which is known as an FRP lock, this won't bypass that. You will still need to have to know the Google account details to completely factory reset. But anyway, hopefully you found this video useful. If you have, please drop me a like, leave me a comment, or ask any questions and I'll do my best to answer. And yeah, hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.